I think the election process was not very democratic.
Yeah, we're not supposed to be using in this situation.
If you don't have a pencil, it's okay. Just put it down. Yeah.
I'll do anything for an A.
No,
just
okay.
Mr. Jacobs, I can do whatever you want.
Polonius, if that's okay with you.
Okay. Can I be king? Which king is this actually?
The one that's not dead.
Oh yeah, never mind. I'll be king.
We shall, my lord. Rosencrantz, Guildenstern, and your lord's exit.
Sweet Gertrude, leave us too, for we have closely sent for Hamlet hither.
Jen, I hope your virtues will bring him to his wonted way again.
No, my video.
We almost did it.
It's a sad day for.
It's a sad day in the
boys.
fort.
I'm actually a little scared.
How do you think the boys did today?
I think we played a tough game tonight. We had a tough opponent, Benjamin School, but our boys showed a really strong effort. We had good footwork, good ball movement. We recovered from a little bit of a deficit. 3-5, not horrible, but you know, we're improving every single game. We're gonna come back next time. We're gonna kill them on Friday, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. You're right. It's Mickey, catch this in your mouth and you can eat it.
Where are these?
Screw that.
Yeah, our last game's Friday.
You guys have to win. You guys have
We're
to
playing
win.
Kings, so we may actually.
Yeah, they didn't win. Bye, Kenzie.
That must have been a very bad video. I hope it's not
It will be now. Thank you.
Can I pet it?
You want to pet the camera?
I want to pet the camera.
Do it.
My sister has that, but she never uses it.
Nice camera.
I like this bear or dog.
It's a bulldog.
On the way to CVS or Publix or something.
Do you win on it or no?
No, I'm good. Thank you. Reese just left. He had to drop something off at home.
Yeah, you really wanted some cranberry cocktail juice.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. I'm slightly lactose intolerant, but when somebody offers you a free blizzard and $20 to finish that blizzard in 4 minutes, you take it.
Oh, there's no way. Everlasting respect.
Everlasting respect.
See, I can finish a medium blizzard without getting sick. But when I've already had one medium blizzard, and now I'm eating a second one, that's when the problems rise.
Dude, that's like 2 lights right there. Vomit. I'll like it if you
Dylan, if you vomit, I'll give you $10. Either way, you win. Dylan, you got 20 seconds.
You're probably thinking, why do you have your shirt off? Yeah, I'm thinking that too. See, my original reasoning was I was going to dump the rest of the ice cream down my throat. But then I realized that I needed these pants to wear them tomorrow too. So I didn't do that, and instead just looked like an idiot.
500 right now. 500. You have 2 minutes left.
$500?
$500.
I can't eat anymore, man.
You have to.
Do it for the camera.
If you throw up, that's quality video.
No!
You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done.
If you throw up, I'll give you $5.
No good. No good. At the buzzer.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good.
That's no good.
No, at least give him 100.
Who is this? 100. We'll give you 20.
Who are you?
So much ice cream, man!
Throw up some more. Come on. Come on, you can do it. I know you can. Oh,
At first I thought you had
that's a thumbnail right there. Oh shit!
Yeah.
If I look at it through the camera, I can pretend it's not actually happening. Oh!
It's in my nose!
Farmer blow that shit, dog. Oh! Hey, angle me. Yeah. Maybe.
Let's go tell the lady.
This is the worst day of my life.
Dylan, what's going through your mind right now? Exactly.
Mistakes were made.
Let's
Yeah, we're
go
all together.
drive. That'll be the transition.